I want to show you an app, an Android app called Sketchbook, which is a way for your students to draw rather than just using Google Drawings. Google Drawings is a nice way to get them to be creative and think with shapes, but there's also some different drawing tools here as well that you might have your students do. Just some things I could import an image, and that means I can take an image, a picture that I've already made, or I could take a picture with my webcam. So it might be that you have students going around, they're finding I don't know, taking a picture of something, a leaf or a tree or anything, and then they're drawing on it, maybe adding some different things to it. But you have quite a few different tools over here. The one that I was using just to make something was called a charcoal blend. And you can choose your colors over here. I'm going to make a color. I'm going to make a nice dark green one. Now I'm just drawing with my finger right here. I'm just going to kind of smudge this whole thing green. I'm going to pick some blue. Get a nice blue. I'm going to smudge my sky. Now, I'm just letting you know I'm not much of an artist, but when I have tools like this and it can be really easy, it's very nice. So you might make like brown. I'm going to decrease the size of this. Maybe I'm going to make a little tree right here. Maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger and choose a green color. Make a nice little tree right here. And you know what? We'll get a little bit of a kind of a lake right here. Oops, and I pressed something to flip that. I don't know exactly what that was. But maybe I'll make, I don't know, we'll make a boy sitting right here. Maybe that's a little too big of a brush. Make this boy, give him some jeans. Right there. Maybe we'll give him a kind of a red shirt. Sitting right here, and then give him a little head. Maybe some blonde hair. Let's see. Oh, I guess we should give him some arms. I'm going to use this color picker. This color picker lets me pick a color that I previously used, although I don't think I got the right one. I'll do that. I'll give him some arms right here, and maybe he's holding a fishing pole. There's our pole right there. And then, let's see, we have kind of a white line. Got a little bobber in there. I know it's a big bobber. But that's just like a simple sketch right there. I never would have made anything that creative if you just gave me a couple pencils or anything like that. But if you give me some different tools, then I could start to stretch my imagination a little bit. And I'm sure that your students could do the same. Some of them might not feel that they're artists, but show them something simple, some different tools, and they will definitely build that confidence in themselves. Now I can save this by going up to the menu and clicking share. And I could save it to my device. If I click that, it takes a little bit. But it goes into my downloads. This is one I was working on earlier put a nice sun in there. But I could also go back to my Google Drive and share it in here as well. I can save it and then we'll upload it to my Google Drive to hand in on a Google Classroom assignment or to print out or anything like that. So empower your students with different things like that.